Welcome to neuroanatomy session. We're going to see about the internal capsule. Do watch and subscribe. Let's see internal capsule. Internal capsule is made up of the projection fiber. The projection fiber which are present in the cerebral cortex. First you have to know about the fibers of the cerebrum. In the cerebrum, you can able to see three types of the fiber. One is the association fiber, the second one is the commercial fiber, and third one is the projection fiber. These fibers are made up of white matter. The internal capsule in the horizontal section you can able to see a V-shaped pattern, that is the internal capsule. The thick curved band is composed of both motor as well as the sensory fiber. It connects the cortical layer as well as the subcortical layer. The location of the internal capsule. In the internal capsule locate between the lentiform nucleus laterally and head of the caudate nucleus and thalamus medially. The lentiform nucleus is a component of two structures. One is the putamen as well as the globus pallidum. In the figure you can able to see the parts of the internal capsule. The internal capsule you can able to see anterior limb, the followed by a V-shaped bend, that is the genu, and back to that you can able to see the posterior limb. On the lateral you can able to see the sublentiform part as well as the retrolentiform part. See the fibers of the internal capsule. There are the fibers are present in the internal capsule are motor fiber, pyramidal fiber as well as the extrapyramidal fiber. The fiber, the content which is present in the anterior limb are frontopontine fiber, anterior thalamic radiation and fibers of the middle forebrain bundle, corticostriata fibers. The fiber which is present in the genu, there are the two fiber. The two fiber that two connected to a cortical region, we used to call it the corticonuclear fiber as well as the corticoreticular fibers. Next, the fiber which is present in the posterior limb are mostly the fibers are connected to the cortical layer as well as the pontine layer as well as the thalamic fibers. The first fiber will be corticospinal tract, corticorubral tract, corticostriatal fiber, frontopontine fibers, paretopontine fiber, superior thalamic radiation. Fiber which are present in the sublentiform part as well as the retrolentiform part are auditory radiation as well as the optic radiation. Play of the internal capsule. The major blood supply is done by the internal carotid artery and its branch. There are the three branches in the internal carotid artery are anterior cerebral artery, middle cerebral artery as well as the posterior cerebral artery. The anterior cerebral artery and its recurrent branches are supplied to the anterior limb. The genu is supplied by the anterior cerebral artery and middle cerebral artery and branch from the middle cerebral artery, that is the choroidal artery. Posterior limb is supplied by the anterior choroidal artery, that is the largest branch in the middle cerebral artery. And sublentiform part and retrolentiform part both is supplied by the posterior cerebral artery. In addition, sublentiform part is supplied by the posterior cerebral artery and anterior choroidal artery. The major clinical associated with the internal capsule are infraction or hemorrhage. Thanks for your time.